World Water Day. How to save water every day. Every year on March 22nd, people around the world observe World Water Day to recognize the value of fresh water and promote its sustainable management. Water conservation is one of the most important things we can do to use water less. Here are some pointers to help you use less water. 1. Repair leaks. Over time, leaks waste a lot of water, so it's critical to get them fixed as soon as you can. 2. Replace outdated shower heads, faucets, and toilets with water-saving models by installing water-efficient fixtures. 3. Instead of using a hose to clean your driveway or sidewalks, try using a broom. Much water will be saved by doing this. 4. While shaving or using the restroom, turn off the water faucet. Over time, this can save a lot of water. 5. In order to minimize evaporation, water your plants in the morning or the evening when it's cooler outside. 6. Use a bucket rather than a hose to wash your car. Use a bucket rather than a hose to wash your automobile. Much water will be saved by doing this. 7. Get rainwater. Gather rainwater and use it to water your plants in a barrel or bucket. 8. Dishwashers are more water efficient than hand washing dishes, so use one. 9. When purchasing appliances like washing machines and dishwashers, pick models that are water efficient. 10. Convey the importance of water conservation to your friends and family, and encourage them to adopt water-saving practices. By putting these suggestions into practice, we can all contribute to lowering water consumption and preserving our fresh water supplies.
If you haven't subscribed, we invite you to subscribe to see more of our videos. Thank you.
I like to be away in my patience.